In the early 1970s, a meeting took place that would change the course of modern religious discourse. Maurice Bucaille, a brilliant French surgeon and the chief of the surgical clinic at the University of Paris, was appointed as the personal physician to King Faisal of Saudi Arabia. At the time, Bucaille was a man of science, and, according to accounts by Sheikh Taqi al-Hilali, he was deeply skeptical, even hostile, toward Islam. He once boldly told the king that the Qur'an contained scientific errors. King Faisal, remaining calm, asked him a simple, piercing question. "Have you read it in its original language?" Bucaille admitted he had not. The king's response was a challenge, "Then read it in its language." Bucaille took that challenge to heart. He didn't just skim a translation, he spent years mastering the Arabic language. As he began to read the text in its original form, his judgment shifted. He realized that his previous understanding had been clouded by mistranslations and Western bias. This journey of linguistic and scientific discovery eventually led him to a profound conclusion, that the Quran was not only free of error but was in perfect harmony with modern discovery. It was this realization that led him to embrace the faith. In 1976, he released his groundbreaking book, The Bible, the Quran, and Science. It became an overnight sensation and remains a bestseller in the Muslim world today. Bucaille's argument was revolutionary. He claimed that while the Bible, having been edited by human hands over centuries, contained scientific inconsistencies, the Quran, revealed in the 7th century, was entirely consistent with modern science. From the complexities of human embryology to the vastness of astronomy and the depths of geology, Bucaille argued that the Quran contained descriptions that were impossible for a 7th century man to know without divine intervention. His work birthed a movement now known as Bucaillism. While he received the History Prize from the Académie Française for his medical study of the pharaohs, his spiritual legacy is what defines him. He pioneered the scientific miracles genre, known as ijaz. While secular critics sometimes argue he read too much modernity into ancient verses, for millions, Maurice Bucaille remains the man who bridged the gap between the laboratory and the mosque, showing that faith and reason could walk hand in hand.